Good afternoon, everyone. Happy Monday to you. It's time for our chart of the week, and this week we're going to be profiling athletic retailer Lululemon. I think this is a really good chart, and I think you guys will get something out of this one. Hopefully we'll be able to make some money as well, too. So we'll be marking this chart up as we go along. So Lululemon has been in a severe downtrend since breaking down in the early part of September, and it's just been making lower highs and lower lows all the way around. But for the past 4 or 5 days, it's been having some really strong volume and really good price action, and we're quite impressed with what's happening over here. And we did actually take a position on this one late last week. What we have here is we have a defined channel up here to the upside, and here's our downside channel. And we see today on Monday was a clear break above that channel on pretty nice volume. We have also a break higher from the range in the relative strength index. We can see that right there, and it's at a high up to 59. What's interesting is that the first try of a break was on Thursday of last week, and we can see right here that it tried to break that 20-day moving average and failed. And then the 10-day moving average. Then it tried to break the 20-day moving average, and then it failed. Then it tried to break the 50-day moving average one more time, and then it finally got through it today, all right? It appears that this is going to be, it's got some more fuel left in the tank. Could it be short covering? Sure, it could be, but short covering generally starts a rally, and we think this thing could get up at least up to the 200-day moving average, which is up to about 61 and change, 61.90. Notice today we got a new buy signal on the MACD. It'll get confirmed tomorrow. We got the crossover and also the crossover on the zero line on the histogram. We're up at overbought territory on the Williams %R, but what really kind of concerns me is that unless we get up into this zone and get some confirmation there, then we could be subject to a back test of this downtrend line over here. So I don't know if that's going to happen, but we did buy some calls last week in the January strikes, and so we have a little bit of time on this thing. Ultimately, what I'd like to see happen is to have this this gap here filled, which is at around 64 and change right there. So this is a gap from the early September drop, which was on pretty heavy volume. So the volume has been pretty decent as we've been moving on up. I think that this thing has some more upside to go. Certainly, we can see that nice break in the downtrend channel is positive. We think Lulu's got higher prices on the way. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys next time, and happy Thanksgiving.